Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Okay, we just got set up here. I don't even have all the rods out. And Zach's hooked up on a fish. We got Zach and his grandma and Barb's with us today.
There it is.
Let me see. Bring it out. Bring it out.
Nice fish, buddy.
That is good.
Okay, don't reel anymore.
Oh, nice one. Oh,
Bring your rod tip towards me. Next time, leave a little more line out, okay?
Oh my God,
Nice.
it's beautiful.
Way to go.
Wait,
Did you ever catch a channel cat before?
No,
There
I
we
never
go.
did ever. He
Zach's
never
first
did
channel
either.
cat.
Zach, you got to put that up there and hold it.
Okay, Zach's hooked up again. Does that feel better holding the rod that way? Okay, don't reel anymore. That's good. Okay, bring him to tip to me. Oh, there he goes. He counts. Yep. As long as I try to keep him out of them other rods.
Keep them down. Don't bring them up. Not yet. Don't bring them up. Not in your way.
Nope, you're good. I'll just get the net so you can get more photos. Don't lose them that way. Okay, don't reel anymore. Just raise your rod tip.
That's a nice one too.
Okay, we got him.
Look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I like that. Look. Look at that big fish.
Head left. You hold yours, Barb. Let Zach get that one.
Mine didn't get anything.
We got two working here.
Reeled it up, but I didn't.
No, don't reel it. Oh, you already did. Okay, Zach's hooked up over here. And that wasn't even a rod that was bit. That.
Good job, Zach. You're really showing me up, young man. It's okay.
Okay, don't reel anymore. Just raise your rod tip, bring him towards the net.
That's a
Yeah.
nice one too.
Watch your bag.
Yeah.
You can just lift him right to me. That's a little guy. Just raise your rod tip all the way up. Yep, right to me. There you go.
He's just a little guy. Look at him. Oh, poor. Got it.
Got him?
You got it. You got it. Good.
Okay, keep reeling. Keep your rod tip high. Don't you do anything. Just keep pressure on him. There you go.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, look at that little one. I didn't expect that in here. Oh, they're getting good again. Okay, we got another one biting here. Outside right. Barb, why don't you watch that one that was just bit over there on the left? Get that one on the left. Get him. Set the hook.
It's hard to get.
On here, lady. Work him to the right. Bring him to the right underneath this one. There you go. Get the net. How you making out, Barb?
I don't know. He looks like he's caught in that thing.
Okay, you gotta let him. Don't let him get in the motor.
Let him out.
Okay, just don't reel anymore. Now you got him clear. Okay. Don't reel. That's enough. All you gotta do is raise him up now. Don't reel anymore.
There you go.
That little
Okay.
fish kicked your butt.
All right. He was toughy.
Okay, we got the one in the boat, and she got another one coming in.
I'm just holding it.
Yeah, we'll get a picture of a double here.
Want to keep going?
Raise your rod tip up. Oh, he's taking drag. Don't reel. Let him take that drag out. That's a better fish.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Pull him in.
Okay, you got him up. Now you try to crank on him again. Raise your rod tip, reel down. Raise your rod, and then reel down. There you go. Raise your rod. Okay, don't reel anymore. Raise your rod. There's a nice double.
That's a big one.
He's a big one.
Biggest one of the evening, I think. Way to go, Barb.
He's a big one. Yeah, he's a big fish. Let me see.
Look what Zach
Here, put
did.
them all together. Here.
Yeah. Grandma got you.
Yeah, you got yours. I got mine. You got yours.
Okay, got another one coming in.
Oh, that's a
Yeah, go ahead and lift him right in like that.
That's a good one.
Right to me. Get him in the boat. Okay, got him. Way to go.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We drifted back, got 4 rods set, walked off the deck, and he's hooked up. Just that quick. That's because we use Sudden Impact. That's the only thing you need for channel cats.
There you go.
I'm a coming. Yeah, just swing him right to me. Oh, he's in it now.
You lost him.
Okay, Zach's hooked up again. I'm not going to net him. You can just swing him to me. Yep, raise him right up. Nice job.
That's a nice
Okay,
one.
way to go, Zach.
That's a good one, Zach, too.
There.
That's a nice one, too. Whoa.
All right, go ahead, try to swing him into me.
That's a nice one, Zach.
got a lot of
Whoa.
pictures.
Whoa, Zach.
Okay,
Oh,
there we go.
very nice one.
There you go,
I like
Zach.
that one. Look, Zach.
You can drag. That's what we like to hear. I'll get the net. We just released that one, and he's got another one coming in. We only got 1 rod fishing right now.
That's a big one, too. Ooh, Zach, good job. Look at that one.
Okay, we're wrapping it up, and we've got 1 more coming in.
Good job, Zach. Boy, oh boy.
Right to me.
Look at that. You're like
Nice.
Uncle Chad. Out again.
Okay, we're wrapping it up.
He wants to go out again. Yes, he does. Look.
15 channel cats.
Yes, he does. Yes.
Who caught the most?
He did.
Right.
He is a fisherman.
And who
I'm
caught the
just-
biggest?
I did. I did.
And that was an angler award fish. So,
Yay.
so what'd you like better, bass or catfish?
I like catfish.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I like catfish.
Zach,
yes.
good to meet you.
Yeah.
Thanks for fishing with
He
Koinonia.
liked it. He's
I'm
good.
sure I'll see you again, Barb.
Yes, you will. Yes.
So we're gonna head on into the ramp. Lord bless us with another great day. Enjoy inspiration. There's our sister boat. We're out for flatheads. We got a couple. Hi guys.
Just lost a 30 pounder, at least. Forgot to set the hook. What are you talking about? No, I didn't. Suffering depression because his girlfriend dropped him.
Zach said he'll help him out.
So how'd you guys do?
He did fantastic.
Did he really?
I think he got maybe 15.
Yeah, my sticks for me.
15?
I only got 2.
I caught a bass.
I only got 2.
Did you?
We had to let it go.
Yeah, you do.
He caught 15?
No, we had 15 total.
Oh, well then he got 13.
Yeah.
She had
3? He?
What did you have, like a flathead?
I lost my lights.
What'd you say, 2?
And I caught the big fish.
How big?
What are you gonna do?
23 was a big one.
Go call.
We caught a bigger one. I caught a 23 incher. We caught, Nana caught a 24 and a quarter inch.
Yep, we got 1 angler war.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you said you were going out for small fish.
We were, but we just
24 and a quarter.
got a big fish.
I got one 21 something.
Yeah,
He got 124.
good.
23.
23.
It's probably because you had better fishermen in the boat.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I got an education, though. I did. I learned a lot again. I learned about skiing.
Really?
I learned a lot about women.
It blew off in the wind.
Yeah.
It blew right out of the pack.
Get another one.
Man, I learned.
I think you just call the fish commission.
Just call the fish commission.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they'll, I don't know what they charge you. Normally it's only like $1 or $2, but I don't know what it is for a lifetime. It might be a little more.
Senior, yeah.
It's probably just to replace the pass. It costs basically nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, it won't be bad.
So you had a lot of fun, Nathan?
I don't like these. You don't like
Then
them?
don't eat 'em.
Spicy.
Yeah, they are spicy.
Here,
Oh, Grandma will love them.
Oh, they're spicy.
Yeah, that's his thing.
You like them.
So how far did you go down?
Grandpa would ate that.
He would have ate that.
Dave, well,
Not even spicy.
He's the kind of person
They're
that does, like,
spicy,
the
right?
You want a tasty cake instead?
Tasty
Yeah,
cake.
no, he would eat that.
Why'd you give it out the first
Yeah,
time?
that's what
Because
he
you said you wanted meat.
No, I didn't. He told me. He said I had to be a real man.